All right, I just got done assembling my Eastwood plasma table. I got this piece here from Eastwood. It was on sale like a couple weeks ago. Good quality. I haven't found a design like this before. I was gonna make one to start welding up some stuff, table out of angled irons. But I think it was like on sale for I think 45 bucks. I can't beat it. Also bought the welding table. I didn't want anything your typical table where it has an angled and it actually sits a little bit lower. Typically, if you buy it from Harborfeight or even from Summit Racing, this is a little bit higher. I have a measuring tape, but it's definitely higher. It's when you go to Eastwood, you typically buy, or you can buy it separately in 3 pieces. I bought this 2 here, the welding table and the plasma table. I didn't buy the portable work stand. All that was fairly cheap online. It's like 27 bucks, I think, on sale to buy it from Eastwood, but they add up shipping. So I just took a chance and bought it from Harborfeight with 25% off. It ended up being like $17 out the door. This guy here, and I've used this multiple times. It does say 200 pounds. You know what? I believe it because I have 4. This is my 5th one. I have my Mustang door. Shoot, that's probably like easily 60, 70 pounds on this for like a year. I was doing body work, and then life happens and you get lazy and winter comes, and that door sat on top of this thing for a year, maybe 2 years. Shoot. So I held it. So I bought another one just for this purpose. See, the cool thing about this is, like a lot of you guys haven't seen, is it's a dual purpose. I'll show you guys. Put this here. So here's the awesome part about this. So it's a welding table. Flip this up. And then flip the plasma cutting table. Boom. Damn. How awesome is that? So it's pretty cool because technically that's serving as a shield too for the sparks. And I was gonna build like a little tray with water to catch it, but that's like unnecessary. It's too much. I just want simplicity. If you're worried about sparks flying out of your garage, technically you can just put your fiberglass welding shield around it. It's a little bit longer video, but just want to show you guys how excited I am. And this is beefy. I went with this. It came with a screw. Lock in there. This guy, I don't know what we call this thing. So I replaced it with, I think it's called PTO pins from Harborfeight. Again, Harborfeight stuff's awesome, dude. I mean, I'm not gonna be using this for towing or anything, but if you bought a couple of these at Home Depot, it's like $3-4 bucks each. I got all these here for $9 minus 20% off. So the reason why I did this, I did a quick release so I can take it out and flip the table. And this are replaceable as well. All right. Let's do another. Okay. I'm gonna try not to move the camera too much here. Okay, that flips up. Since it's beefy. Comes up. That's a welding table. Boom. Yeah, like I said, I'm doing this one-handed too, so shows you how easy it is to do this. If you're done, put it away, fold it up. Hold on, it's gonna get a little shaky here. It's heavy, but there it is. Well, I'm not gonna put that inside my house, but it shows you. Yeah, it's like 3-4 inches thick. Put this inside of your garage. Store it, hang it. Plasma table. Welding table. And technically, you can still use this as a portable workstand if you want to do body work. Or lumber work, woodwork. All right, cool. Hope this helps, man. Guys, ladies. I'll give you guys the link for the Eastwood link. Like I said, I have not found this anywhere else. I've looked everywhere, many designs. A lot of them are beefy, of course, right? People building welding tables, plasma tables separately with badass sliding slots, and I'd be at 300 pounds. I mean, badass builds, but I'm not that advanced. I'm a DIYer, and I want to be able to store this anywhere and take it out of my garage if I want to, or working inside the garage. Hope this helps. Thanks.